So this is Updata Analytics running on the Saxo trader feed from Saxo Bank, and here we're running on their Forex data. Really powerful. And Updata has this ability to sit on top of the Saxo trader platform. Updata runs on lots of different data sources, market terminals like Bloomberg or Reuters, and trading platform like Saxo, and over 50 different data services supported. And Saxo is the latest one in the stable, and really excited about this ability to run on this data and to execute from the Updata Analytics system. So here we see the Forex data coming in. Updata caches this data, so the charts are super quick. So you can see as we just scroll through the charts, it is just pulling that data out really quickly. And lots of different screens in Updata, of course. This one I particularly like, just shows you where the leaders are in the day. So it gives you a really good overview of what instruments are doing best in the market, so you don't have to go fishing around to find that. Of course, Updata's analytics is second to none. Winner of the Best Technical Analysis Platform against systems like Bloomberg, Reuters, CQG. 4 times has won that platform. No other platform has won that for 4 years. And we just see here point and figure charts, a really powerful aspect of Updata. Market profile, Ichimoku, pretty well every technical analysis tool you can think of is supported in the Updata. All the different chart types, and every analysis tool you could ever wish for. I'm just looking here. We see, for example, gold. We've got seasonality studies where you can see gold's seasonal behavior. Correlation, so this is the gold correlation with the euro dollar, and you can run these charts on any time frame you want. So here we see South African rand correlated to the gold chart, for example. Here's a $1 point and figure chart, 1% point and figure chart on 1 minute. So again, really powerful, and you can adjust the box sizes in the charts to get super sensitive price targets. And this is a feature that a lot of Updata users use, and really simple on Updata. On any chart, you just press the T key and it will give you the target straight away on that chart, and so you can then just adjust the box size and get the targets. So a really powerful aspect. And there's full videos that come with the Updata tutorial as to how to use the system. One of the most powerful aspects, of course, is the ability to buy and sell direct from the chart. You can actually just place horizontal levels on the chart. You can see here that it will ask you how many trades you want to place on, so we can put an order in, and it will offer you that ability to then place that to trade. And the same thing here, you can put a sell order on and you can place that through to trading as well on the Saxo platform. I'm running here on the Saxo demo platform. You can run it either on the demo platform or on the live account. And order types here to limit or market. So quite a powerful aspect of the system. And it doesn't end there, of course. You can actually put horizontal, you can put sloping trend lines on. You can say alert me when it crosses this chart. So you can actually say send me an email on this chart every time it does, or you can just say alert me when this line is crossed. Just for today, 2 days, or if I'm away for a few days, just let me know in the next few days, or until broken, until cancelled. And you can then basically set that limit. Would you like to trade from this alert? Yes. And again, you can set the amount you want to buy. So pre-automating your trading, another really powerful aspect of the Updata system. And it applies to all indicators as well, of course. So you can put on moving averages, and you can say, okay, alert me again when this line is crossed. So you can say chart alert, alert me every time the chart line crosses, and send that to trading. One of the most powerful aspects of Updata is just the plethora of different screen types. Here's like a quote board, and a lot of people like using the quote board. Here we have even a chart board, just a really quick way of just seeing all the different chart types. And then a lot of Updata users use Updata for its scanning capability, and this is Really powerful. And so here we've got a list of 180 instruments on the Saxo FX platform. And so one of the things I can do is I can scan for a whole range of technical criteria. And if you want to run or if you want to write a scan, it's really straightforward. You just set the indicator that you want to use, and you can run it on pretty well any technical indicator you can think of. We have our own proprietary indicators, but any technical analysis tool, and of course custom indicators, which we'll talk about in a minute. So you can actually set to run a scan on pretty well anything and any criteria you want, and multiple criteria. You can run scans on point and figure charts, a really powerful aspect of Updata, where you can actually set find me instruments that have got upside potential, and then on things like bar and pattern candles, head and shoulders, divergence, all the different candlestick patterns as well. So the great thing about this is that you're actually going through a large universe of instruments to find trading opportunities. And let's just run a quick one now. So we'll do one here on stochastic divergence. You can do this on any time frame you want. You can do it on, tick data, 1 minute data, 5 minute data. Here we'll just do it quickly on daily data. We select the Saxo list. So this list is the Saxo FX All. You can get this in our libraries, by the way, so you can just download, and you can see straight away that it's just running through those histories. Because they're cached in the Updata system, it's really quite quick. And so we're running through. And we're finding the stocks that are showing divergence between price and the stochastic. So I'm going to just cancel that here, and let's have a look at what the results have come up already. So here we can see the charts where it's showing divergence occurring between the stochastic and the underlying instrument. And this is quite a difficult thing to scan for. It's the sort of thing you can eyeball on a chart, but it's really quite challenging to see things where that divergence is occurring. And you can do divergence on the RSI, that sort of thing. And there's no limit to the amount of scans that you can run. We have libraries already with pre-built scans in, and this is really where I select my scans from. But let's have a look at some scans that I've already run. So this one here is this is stock. This is FX where we've got more than 20% upside on the 0.5% daily chart. So this is a sort of medium-term view where you're just trying to get an idea of upside, and we're seeing here we've got more than 20% upside on the Australian dollar versus the Czech, and you can just scroll through the various results and actually see that for yourself. So really powerful, where you can actually specify you want to find things with certain upside potential. And here's our list: 21 out of 180 that have met that criteria. Here's another one that I've run. So literally, it will take me through and find me the stocks that have got upside potential, and I can just scroll through the results here. These are short term. This is 60-minute charts. Show me charts that have got more than 5% upside. Now you can see here we've got quite a lot of downside targets. This is Swiss franc, Japanese yen. So this is why it's important to eyeball the results, and we can go through and look at each one. And here we see one of Danish kroner, South African rand, and you can go through and find the instruments. And these grey ones that are ones that have just come in today, so these are new in the list. Again, an upside target, but downside here weighing against that, which is why it's important to go through the scan results. But you can really write any scans you want. A really powerful aspect of the system. If we take a look at the system testing, a really powerful aspect of Updata, we have over 1,000 pre-written custom indicators and trading strategies in our libraries. So the sky is the limit for you to choose from, and that pretty well every indicator that's ever been written in Stocks and Commodities magazine, you can actually download these into your system and straight away be running these custom indicators. So if there's an indicator that you've read about or you've heard about, it's in the system, and we'll even write it for you. Updata has an easy language, which is really straightforward to use. It has a syntax, so RSI, for example, is a given command. This is the code for the syntax. So you can really easily reverse engineer these. If you want to write your own code in C# or Visual Basic, you can. And so it's a really powerful aspect of the system. So here we have an RSI system that I've run. I've run on Eurodollar. We can actually look at the trade results. You can take these out to a spreadsheet, and then we can look at the chart. Most people want to see that chart with the historical trades. So a really powerful aspect of Updata is that ability to see the trades. Of course, you can take these out to trading as well. So you can say, alert me based on this system, and you can take this out to your trading. So again, you can run those systems there as well. So a really powerful aspect of the system is that ability to run system tests on the system. If we take a look at another indicator here that I've run, this is the flip-flop stop loss, and again, this is really powerful. And this shows you a trading strategy on gold, and it's just using a flip-flop where we a stop and reverse, where we literally reverse from one trade to another. And here we see the equity curve, equity line here, and the underlying. So that's the system testing. So why not take a look at running your Updata system on the Saxo Bank trader platform? Really powerful. And just lots of technical analysis for you there out of the box. So this is just the great add-on of Updata Analytics, giving you that extra power on the Saxo system.